The GOLDANT 350ml dental flosser is designed with a large water tank, ensuring consistent and uninterrupted oral cleaning sessions without frequent refills. With 5 adjustable modes, including a gentle child mode, it caters to various dental cleaning preferences, making it suitable for users of different ages and sensitivities. Its compact design, complete with a travel bag, makes the flosser an ideal companion for trips, while its IPX7 waterproof rating allows safe usage in the shower. The strong water pressure, ranging from 30 to 150 psi, efficiently removes plaque and debris, providing a thorough clean even in hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with 5 distinct nozzles and a 360-degree rotating feature, it ensures comprehensive oral care for individuals with braces, implants, or sensitive teeth. The package includes a USB charging cable and offers reliable service support, ensuring user satisfaction and convenience throughout its usage.